Hello everyone. Today let us learn about average. Now we will study what do you mean by average. The average of a group of numbers of the same kind is a single number which represents the group. So we will follow two steps when you're finding the average. The first step is by adding them all the numbers, number 2, then dividing the total by how many numbers there were. Therefore, when we are finding the average, we will follow the formula. With the help of this formula, we can solve the sums. So, average is equal to sum of all the addends by number of addends. So now let us see how to find average with the help of few examples. The total height of 3 trees is 22 meter 44 centimeter. What is the average height of each tree? Now here the question is given, so you try to find the sub questions. That will be easy to solve the problems. Now what is the question is asking? Here you can see in the question number 1, what is the total height of 3 trees? Now you can see here it is already given in the question, 3 trees is 22 meter 44 centimeter. This is the total height. In the second question, what is the total height of 1 tree? This is not given. So this you have to find. Number 3, with the help of this formula, you have to find the average. We will move to the planning. Now, as you know in the question, there is 3 trees, which is 22 meter and 44 centimeter. So, with the help of the bar models, we will plan to solve the question. So these 3 bar models we will draw, and this 3 trees height is, that is the total height is 22 meter 44 centimeter. As we are knowing in the questions, we will take this 3 as a 3 unit, means 3 trees, and we have to find 1 unit which we are not knowing in the question. So we will take this 1 unit to find. Now after that planning, we will move to the working part. So again we will take this 3 unit that is 22 meter 44 centimeter. Now we are moving to the working part. We will solve, and 1 unit again we are not knowing, so we need to solve these questions with the help of bar model and formula. So average is equal to sum of all the addends by number of addends. So it means that 22 meter 44 centimeter is the sum of all the addends and divided by 3, that is the number of addends. When you will divide, you will get 7 meter 45 centimeter. So the average height of each tree is 7 meter 45 centimeter. Now come to the second question. The average height of 5 students is 150 centimeter. One more student of height 120 centimeter joins the group. Find the new average height. This is the question. So when you will solve, try to find the sub questions. So the first question is, what is the average height of 5 students, which is already given in the question. So try to write the answer, 150 centimeter. Come to the second question. what is the average height of the new student? Now again come to the second statement that is given. The average height of the new student, that is, answer is 120 centimeter that joins the group. This is the second answer. Come to the third. So what is the average height of 6 students? It means that you have to find the height of the 6 students which is not given. So we will move to the planning. So how many students? So with the help of the bar model, we try to solve the questions. So how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And fifth, these are the 5 units. With the help of this bar model, we will try to find all the units. So as we are not knowing about all these 5 units, we are knowing the average height of 5 students, that is 150 centimeter. So you can see here I have marked this 1 unit 150 centimeter. So let us move to the second bar model in which one more students join. So this will become 6 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here was 5 units. Here now 6 units. Why? Because one more students join. So this we have to find the 6 unit, even about 1 unit also. So you can see here we know the value of 1 unit and finding the value of 5 units in the first bar model. And you can see here 1 unit is given, but we have to find the value of 5 units. But in the second bar model, neither we know the value of 6 units or 1 unit. This we have to find. After planning, now move to the working part. So as we are knowing in the question, 150 centimeter is the average height of 5 students. So when you will multiply by 5, because talking about 5 students, so when you multiply we get 750 centimeter. So 5 units is 750 centimeter. Here we are getting the about 5 students. Next, 750 centimeter plus 120 centimeter is equal to 870 centimeter. So what is 120 centimeter is? 120 centimeter, one more students join. When one more students joins, this was about the 5 students, and this is one more students joins. We will add this 2, we will get 870 centimeter. So now the 6 units is equal to 870 centimeter. So the average is equal to sum of all the addends by number of addends. After this working, so as we are knowing 1 unit is equal to 870 divided by 6 is equal to 145 centimeter. So how did you get? This is the sum of all the addends, means about the 6 students. So why we are dividing by 6? Because about 6 students we are talking in the questions, and 870 is the height of this 6 students. So when you will divide, you will get 145 centimeter. So how you will write this 145 centimeter? 1 meter 45 centimeter. You have to convert in the meter also. So you will get the exact answer. So the new average height is 1 meter 45 centimeter. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel and have a great day.